XX versus People. Husband and wife got married and begot a child. However, due to their difficult circumstance, wife went to work in Singapore. After some time, the wife learned that husband was in a romantic relationship with another woman. The husband even sent a message to his wife not to message him anymore. To make the matter worse, wife learned that the other woman was pregnant. She learned that her husband brought the other woman to their hometown and cohabited with her. So the wife returned to the country and sought the help of DSWD in getting her daughter from her mother-in-law. The other woman would even message the wife, and these messages were found. Other woman. Ako nabuntis out of love. E ikaw nabuntis ka out of lust. By the way, do you know what lust means? Wife. Bakit masama bang malaman kung kailan ipinanganak ang anak ng asawa ko sa ibang babae? Other woman. Haha, asawa. Uy, hindi mo daw siya asawa. Ito o tumatawa sa tabi ko. Sa papel lang daw kayo nag-asawa at hindi sa puso at kaluluwa niya. Hahaha. Et hurts. Diba? In view of all the acts committed, the wife filed a case for violation of Section 5(I) of Republic Act 9262. The couple's daughter was called to testify, who sadly wept during trial, and who had a hard time narrating her testimony as she kept on crying while propounded questions. She confirmed that indeed her father has an affair and would bring the other woman to their house every now and then. She wanted her mother and father to reconcile. She said that she does not love her father anymore. Issue: whether the husband is guilty beyond reasonable doubt for violation of Section 5(I) of Republic Act 9262. Ruling yes. The Supreme Court held that conviction under 5(I) of RA 9262 requires proof of indispensable elements: 1. Psychological violence, and 2. Emotional anguish or mental suffering. Psychological violence refers to acts or omissions causing or likely to cause mental or emotional suffering of the victim, such as but not limited to marital infidelity. However, in this case, all the elements of 5(I) of RA 9262 are present, which include 1. The woman being the wife or former wife of the offender, and 2. The offender causing the woman and or child mental or emotional anguish through acts of public ridicule or humiliation. 3. Repeated verbal and emotional abuse, denial of financial support or custody of minor children, or access to the children, or similar acts or omissions. Marital infidelity is one of the forms of psychological violence. The prosecution was able to establish the husband's marital infidelity, his cohabitation with another woman who even bore him a child, and his abandonment of his wife. The daughter's psychological trauma was evident when she wept in open court upon being asked to narrate her father's infidelity. In particular, the daughter explained that she was deeply hurt because her father had another family and loved another woman other than her mother. Guilty verdict. The husband was sentenced to at least 2 years in prison and was fined to at least $100,000, but not more than $300,000 in damages, and ordered to attend court-mandated psychological counseling.